Vivo Y52s with MediaTek Dimensity 720 SoC, dual rear cameras launched. Price, specifications. Vivo Y52s has been launched as the company's latest mid-range 5G phone. The new model comes with dual rear cameras as well as features a water drop-style display notch. The Vivo Y52s also includes a MediaTek Dimensity 720 SoC and comes in up to 8GB of RAM. Other key highlights of the Vivo Y52s include a 90Hz display refresh rate, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and 18 watts fast charging. The Vivo phone has launched now in the Chinese market, in 3 distinct color options. Vivo Y52s price. Vivo Y52s price has been set at 1,598 Chinese yuans, roughly 18,100 rupees, in China for the 6GB RAM variant, while the 8GB RAM option of the phone carries a price tag of 1,798 Chinese yuans, roughly 20,300 rupees. The phone is already available for pre-orders through China's JD.com, as first reported by Plawful Droid. Moreover, the Vivo Y52s comes in Monet, Coral Sea, and Titanium Grey color options and will go on sale in China from December 12. Details about the global launch of the Vivo Y52s are yet to be revealed. Vivo Y52s specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, Vivo Y52s runs on Android with Fun TouchOS on top and features a 6.58-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2408 pixels, display with a 20.1:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone has the octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 720 SoC, paired with up to 8GB of RAM. There is the dual rear camera setup that houses a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The smartphone also comes with an 8-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front. Vivo has provided 128GB of onboard storage as standard. Connectivity options on the Vivo Y52s include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth V5.1, GPS, a GPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors on board include an accelerometer, ambient light, magnetometer, and a proximity sensor. The phone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Vivo Y52s packs a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts dual-engine fast charging. Besides, the phone measures 164.15 by 75.35 by 8.40 mm and weighs 185.5 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.